Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, today we're going to do something a little bit different. If you haven't noticed, my page isn't just crafting. So we're going to do a tutorial here. Special guest, my mother and my daughter. She's going to do a color street tutorial. So if you like it, let us know. Enjoy.
Hello everybody. So today I decided to go live because my little pumpkin head wanted her nails done. So what I decided to do was I have some sets that have already been opened. So I'm gonna do a little design. Well, not a design, but she gonna have some rainbow nails. That's basically what it is. The leftover strips, I'm gonna use all of the, one color. So we got 5 colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to put this overlay over it. And this overlay is called Star for the Course. So I'm gonna show y'all how very simple it is to apply these 100% nail strips.
She's so excited to get her
Now
nails done.
let me show you guys this as well. Okay, these have already been opened. So what I did was I resealed them. And this is how you save your strips. Because they're 100% nail polish, these have already been opened, and I've used them for other designs. But see, what you can do, or other manis, what you can do is you seal them up with the flat iron, and then you can use them again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut each one, and then I'll seal them back up when I'm done. But this demonstration is basically just to show you guys how easy it is to apply these 100% nail polish strips. Okay, so the first color I'm going to use is Aspen Sky, which is like a bluish, really pretty powder blue color. They come in 16 different sizes. So these are the sizes that I have left right now. So by Maddie having little fingers, I'm going to go and see one. Let me see. I might put this on her thumb. So this is the size I'm going to use. What you do is, you see this little strip? You pull the clear off. You take this little tab and you peel this off.
TV noise.
Hold on 1 second, guys. I gotta turn off, mute this TV. And then you just take the tab off. Take the little tab off. And now I'm going to apply it to her nails. Now the nail polish strips can stretch a little bit. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. I'm going to have my daughter answer them for you. It's sticky, of course, but let me show you. So you that one looks like it's a little too small for her thumb. So I'm going to go to this. Let me see. Maybe this one. Okay. So you can move these around. It's okay if it sticks to your finger. That's fine too. So I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna smooth it. Smooth it around. Cover it up. Then you just take your finger and you kind of perforate it. Smooth it down. Make sure you smooth it really, really good around the edges and everything. Use your thumbs for cleanup. When you apply these, always apply your thumbs last. Now you see the excess right there? So all I do is just take my finger and another thing, when you put them on, just kind of let the strips adhere to your nails. And look, this is dry polish. So after I finish this, if she wants to, she can walk right out of the door. If you put them on your toes or whatever. You can walk right out of the door. So what I do is I just take my finger and just clean up the little excess. And then I always put it over the ends like this. So you can clean that up last, because what I wanted to do is I wanted to adhere to her nail beds. So I'm just going to leave that little excess right there, and later on I'll come back. But look how cute that is on her little finger. So that's one color. And this is 100% nail polish. That's what I have on mine, as a matter of fact. If you can see mine, this is a mani I did the other day. This is all 100% nail polish strip. These are already designs. They're already designs. Okay. And I'm not going to do all of them, but I just wanted to come on here to show you guys how simple and easy. So you see how neat that is? With the exception of this that I'm going to let stay on there for a little while, and then I'll peel it off. I'm going to show you guys the finished picture when I'm done. But this is nail polish. 100% dry, and I'm touching it. It's not messing up or anything. So I'm going to do another one. Each one of her nails is going to have a different color on it. So now this one is called Oh Slow and Steady, and it's like a pretty colored greenish color. Now, you know what I think I'm gonna do, since I already have this one open, I'm just gonna go and put it on her other hand. Scoot over this way. So,
Do you like getting your nails done?
Mm-hmm.
What are you supposed to say? Yeah, set, talk. You do?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
I want my grandma to do my nails all the time, even my hair.
Even her hair, okay.
Okay, so once again, you take the strips off. Pull the little tab off. And it doesn't take that long at all. Okay, give me your other finger.
Okay.
Your other hand, I'm sorry. So then I just noticed that I didn't file this one. What did I do with that file? Where's that little file? Oh, here it is. Give me out. Oh, let me see. Her nails have already been cleaned with the alcohol pad that is provided. Each pack has a file like this, a nail file, and an alcohol pad. Each pack. And then you see it has 100% is 100% nail polish with 16 strips in there in all different sizes, so they can, fit different nail beds. Okay, babe, come on. So as you see, I already I'm just cleaning up her nails a little bit, but I already cleaned it with the alcohol pad. So now I'm getting ready to apply another strip on this finger. Now you see I can just lift it up, reposition. It's really, really simple and easy. And just say I put it on and I don't like it, I just lift it up. Or I could even turn it around. Look, I don't like the way that side looks, so I'm going to turn it on this side. Put it close to the nail bed. Don't put it on the nail bed, but put it close. Take it, smooth it. Smooth it. You can even pull it a little, stretch it a little bit. And same thing, take your thumb and just pull it down. You got any excess, take it. I always do that. You know how at the shop when you go to the salon they kind of paint the so now this little piece left, if I was going to I could take this and I actually could put it right there. I could put it on another finger, but each finger is going to be different, so I'm not going to use this. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can. I could have took it and put it on this finger. But like I said, I'm not going to use that because each one of her fingers is going to be a different color. So, And then the cleanup. The cleanup is basically just, taking your nail. Or you could use a file. If you want to, you could just take the file and do it. Just file one way though. And like I said, I leave a little bit on there until I'm all the way done. But your nails, your thumbs are your best friends when you're doing this. Your thumbs are your best friends. So, see how smooth that is? Smooth look. Now, I'll do the cleanup later, but I just want to show you how easy it is to apply. I know I keep saying that. See? This is her second, so this is the first one, and this is the... Okay? Now, I will be back when I'm done, and I'm going to show you guys the finished product. But right now, this is... Tyrone, please leave me alone. I'm talking about that's your business voice.
I saw that. I saw.
My brother make me sick. But anyway, you guys, he always talking about I talk different. But anyway, yep. So this is how you do it. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys pictures. So watch out for the next live when we come back. When we come back, her nails are gonna be all done, and I'm gonna show you how gorgeous they are. Thank you guys for tuning in. Any questions? Go ahead and ask, and you're gonna see Color Street Nails. I'm gonna also post my link for you guys, and we will be back. Thank you guys for tuning in. Say bye.
Bye, everyone. Be safe. I hope you be safe.
You like your nails, little girl? Wait for a few people to join. Come in so you can see. That's fine. Okay, so somebody asked a question about the overlays. I want to show you guys. The overlays are clear. So when you take the strip off, the overlay does not have a color on the back of it. So that is the overlay. And that is how you put them over colors. You can wear them, plain if you want to. But for the most part. So somebody asked me a question about the overlays. That's the reason I came back to show you how the overlays work. So this is the solid color of her nail. And then I'm just going to place the overlay over her nail, over the polish that's already there. And then just smooth it down. And it gives it a whole nother look. So now we have the overlay over the solid, and the same as before. The solid was already on there. And you just peel it. And of course, remember I told you to do the cleanup later. But this is over the solid that was on there. Now, as you can see, first it was just a solid color. And then I put the clear overlay over it. So this is how it looks once I put the overlay over the solids. And I give her a whole different look. Remember, it's a clear background, so yep. So we're almost done with Miss Madison's nails. I have one more to do, and then we'll be all done, and we're gonna have our little photo shoot. But I just came back because one of the ladies asked me about and I'm gonna show you guys again for those who just came on. You peel this clear off. Peel this off, 100% nail polish. Take the tab off. And this is clear. If you want to wear it like that, that's fine. Or you can put it over a color, just like I did with Madison's nails. And I gave her a cute little girly. This isn't too grown for her. It's really, really cute and girly. And so, Madison, tell them how you like your nails.
I like my nails with the stars, and I like it when my grandma put the normal colors on my nails because I like it that way, and I like the stars. And it's very soft, and it's very red, and it's very pretty.
It's very pretty. You have very pretty nails like your mommy. And I really like doing your nails too.
What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, put your nails down, put them out so the ladies and whoever can see all of your nails. So this is Madison's nails. They're all done. And that she has 5 different colors. She has yellow, white, a powder blue, a pretty color green, and pink. And then I put the overlay over her nails. You can use this on any color. And you don't have to do them on all of them. We could have left all of the nails solid and just put them on 2 of the nails just as an accent nail. But, we decided she wanted stars all over her nails because she's a little shining star. So she wanted stars on all of her nails. Aren't they pretty? Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, if it's any men on here, I'm so glad you tuned in to watch my live Color Street demonstration. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I am going to put my link if anybody wants to go and check out the other colors that we have. That'd be great. Okay, Color Street 100% nail polish strips. This is 100% nail polish. And all you do is apply them to your nails. We have all types of designs. We have solids, we have glitters, we have nail art. If you know any nails, nail stylists or, nail girls who do nails in a salon, you guys can purchase from me and save yourself some time and slap some of these accent nails on your customers. Hold that up, baby. Okay. Thank you guys again for joining me. I just wanted to clear up the question about the overlay.
Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.